Hey YouTube, it's Alicia here, and I have another hair tutorial for you today, and I am going to show you how to get your hair from this, as you see, it is dry and everything, and I'm going to show you how I put moisture back in my hair. It's a simple process, so you can use any type of hair grease or oil. And some of the things I'm going to show you some things that I use. So I use the Aussie Miracle Moist Intense Hydrating Oil with avocado and Australian jojoba oil right here, and this is the 3.2 fluid ounce right here. This is a good thing to use. And the next one is the Motions Lightweight Daily Oil Moisturizing Nutrients and Restore Shea Butter, Argan Oil, and Coconut Oil. And this is a 12 fluid ounce. And this is the one I'm going to be using. So, without further ado, let's get started. So, I'm going to take, this one's the one I'm using today. I'm going to take my hand. And you just, I'm going to start off with this much. And this is going to go on the back of my hair. Alright. 2 squirts right here. And that's going to go down the middle. And this is a daily moisturizer, what it says it is. So I'm going to show you how I take my dryness, as it is, it's dry. Okay. Now we're going to take the brush and we're to brush the sides and the back. Now we're going to take this and we'll just nothing, and we're just going to comb this the bang and back a bit to get it in place. Okay, one the big comb. And we're gonna just brush it all together. Excuse me, y'all. I have to look down a bit. And there you go. And this is how I keep my hair moist. So either of those two, this is the, like I said, this is the Motion Lightweight Daily Oil Moisturizer, nutrients and a restore by Motion. So only a few things from Motion I will purchase. So that's that. And then this is the Aussie oil. Both of them are real good, and as you see, my hair looks lifelike. It gives me a little oomph. But yeah, all this actually gives you a little insight of how I give a little more life to my hair. Until then, I'm Alicia. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.